Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this chenille gnome ornament. So let's get started. I'm working with chenille yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 12. Double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Now double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Like that, I've double crocheted all the way across the row. Chain 1 and turn. That will count as the first single crochet. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now you're going to repeat that for 2 more rows. So chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across. 1 more row, chain 1 and turn, single crochet across the row. Okay, so this is the row of double crochet, and that's going to fold up to form the brim, and this is going to be the top of the hat. So now I'm going to close the top of the hat. So I'm just turn my work, and I'm going to skip that stitch, and I'm going to slip stitch in the next. Skip, slip stitch, skip, slip stitch, skip, and slip stitch in the last stitch. So that will close the top of the hat. Now fold the work in half and slip stitch to close the hat. Okay, so there's the hat all finished, and this will fold up like that, and that will form the brim. Tie the 2 ends into a knot, and there's the finished hat. To make the beard, I have some white worsted weight yarn, and I'm just going to wind it around just a tablet. This is 4 inches, and I'm going to wind it around, and I wound it around 50 times. Tie it into a bundle. And then cut open this end. And I'm going to cut it on a slant. And if you don't think you're good at cutting on a slant, just fold a piece of paper and cut it on a slant like that. And then you can just place that over it and use that as a guide. To make the pom-pom, wind yarn around your fingers. Like that. Slide the bundle off and tie tightly in the center. Now fluff it out and trim it evenly. Like that. For the nose, you could use a wooden bead, or you can use a styrofoam ball. This is just a small 3/4 inch styrofoam ball, and I painted it with some pink paint, and I'm going to use that. Okay, so I'm going to place my beard inside the hat like that, and I'm going to hot glue it in place. I'm going to glue the nose right there, right where it was tied together, like that. And I'm going to hot glue the pom-pom on top of the hat, like that. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this chenille gnome ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.